In today's interconnected world, supply chain design is one of the most critical aspects of supply chain planning. It involves answering critical questions like, should we source our products locally to support quick deliveries, or from international suppliers to optimize costs? And how many distribution centers do we need to strike the right balance between customer services and operational costs? Supply chain design also raises broader concerns such as how do we balance our financial goals with sustainability efforts? These decisions shape the entire structure of your supply chain, directly impacting its performance.
Companies today must find the right balance between competing objectives, maximizing efficiency while meeting service levels and reducing environmental impact. These are high-stakes decisions that require data-driven methods and advanced analytical tools to shape the overall structure of the supply chain, impacting everything from customer service and operational cost to sustainability and environmental performance.
Hi everyone, my name is Milena Janjevic and I'm the director of the MIT Supply Chain Design Lab.
And my name is Matthias Winkenbach and I'm the director of research at the MIT Center for Transportation and Logistics.
We are delighted to present this course on supply chain design, the online version of the course we teach at MIT. It is a combination of many years of research and teaching experience designed to bring you the latest insights and practical tools in the field.
This course on supply chain design will provide you with the tools to tackle these strategic challenges. You will learn the key concepts behind supply chain design and how to apply advanced mathematical and analytical methods to create optimized networks. We will begin by covering some foundational models in supply chain design, focusing on optimizing simple networks. As the course progresses, we will introduce more design decisions and move on to larger, more complex networks with multiple tiers of facilities. We will also incorporate additional objectives, such as inventory management and revenue. Essentially, we'll start with simple models and gradually build up to more advanced and realistic scenarios, enabling you to tackle the complexities of real-world supply chain design.
This course is highly practical and hands-on. You'll not only learn how to model complex problems, but also gain a real-world experience by implementing solutions in Python. No need to worry if you don't have coding experience. During the first week, we'll provide a thorough introduction to Python and support you every step of the way. By the end of this course, you'll have the confidence to apply your skills to real-world challenges, using quantitative models to make informed, balanced decisions that keep your supply chain not only efficient, but competitive in today's market.
You'll also gain access to interactive visualization tools developed by the MIT CTL Computational Analytics, Visualization and Education Lab, or CAVE Lab in short. These tools, aligned with MIT's philosophy of learning by doing, act as supply chain simulators, allowing you to work hands-on with real-world problems. You'll interact with data directly, gaining deeper insights and experiencing a richer understanding of complex supply chain dynamics through practical application. This bridge between theory and practice enhances your learning and prepares you to tackle real-world challenges with confidence.
You'll be part of an engaging community with opportunities to discuss ideas, ask questions, and receive feedback from instructors.
Whether you're new to supply chain design or just looking to refine your skills, this course will equip you with the knowledge and practical tools to design efficient, competitive, and sustainable supply chains.
Join us in this journey and transform the way that you think about supply chain design.